People often ask why I'm 20 years into the construction game and still eating hard boiled eggs. It's simple. I'm not eating for flavor, I'm eating for the pivot. An egg is efficient, it's fast, it's fuel that doesn't slow me down. While the rest of the crew is off chasing hot burgers and such, I'm sitting here on this membrane, growing my capital and watching the charts. 20 years in the industry. I've learned that wealth isn't built on hot meals. It's built by the man who can endure the cold lunch until he owns the game. I'm using these 4 years on the roof to make sure my family never has to settle for just enough. Stay disciplined, stay efficient. The eggs are cold, but the future is bright. I'm Yegor, your guide through the grind. Let's keep building up together. And remember, when no one does, I love you.